So, here's a quick tip for you. What do you do with brad nails when they get bent out of shape? Or rather, when you try to remove them because you had to take things apart and then they get bent out of shape. This is what I'm talking about. If you try to hammer them out, the hammer, big old hammer, they just bend. So, as far as I know, there are two ways to manage them. One is to just simply pull them back out the wrong way, so to speak. Now this will damage your material, but just twist them and out they come. Another way is of course just to cut them off. That leaves that nasty little, give that a whack and it won't show up on the other side. This is the way I'm going to do it, because this just ruins the material too much if you pull them out.